Mastering Idioms. Understanding, fail the acid test. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English an exciting adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, focusing on a particularly intriguing phrase, fail the acid test. This idiom may sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we're here to decode its meaning and show you how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and find out why this phrase is so interesting. The phrase, fail the acid test, originates from a literal test used by gold miners in the 19th century. They would use nitric acid on metals to determine if something was real gold, as only gold would not corrode. So, metaphorically, to fail the acid test means to fail to meet a crucial or decisive standard of quality, integrity, or suitability. Imagine you're testing something's strength, authenticity, or value. If it fails the acid test, it means it couldn't stand up to the most important and challenging verification or scrutiny. This idiom is often used in contexts where qualities like reliability, effectiveness, or genuineness are being judged. Let's put this idiom into context with some examples. 1. A new product. Imagine a company launches a new smartphone, claiming it has the best battery life on the market. If, upon release, users find that the battery drains too quickly, the phone could be said to fail the acid test of living up to its main selling point. 2. In relationships, if someone says they're your friend but then disappears when you're going through a tough time, they fail the acid test of friendship, which is being there for each other in need. 3. In policies, a government might introduce new education policies aimed at improving literacy rates. If, after implementation, literacy rates do not improve, the policies could be said to have failed the acid test of effectively enhancing education. These examples show how versatile and applicable the idiom is across different scenarios, making it a useful expression to know. When using fail the acid test, it's important to remember that it's typically used in negative contexts. You're pointing out that something did not meet a critical standard or expectation. Here's how you can incorporate it into your speech or writing. Discussing products or services. The new delivery service failed the acid test of delivering packages on time during the holiday season. Evaluating ideas or plans. The plan to increase sales through social media advertising failed the acid test when there was no significant improvement in revenue. Analyzing characters or actions. Despite his promises, his actions failed the acid test of true leadership during the crisis. And there you have it, the meaning behind the idiom, fail the acid test, and how you can use it to express failure to meet high standards or expectations. We hope this exploration adds a new and interesting phrase to your English vocabulary and helps you understand the depth and color idioms can add to our language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening lessons on English language learning. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.